Kumusta? Welcome to Mrs. Webster's Home Cooking Diaries. We will make pho soup. Let's start! This is how I did it. Wrap it like this. I did it! We'll take this in. Rock sugar. Gonna add more water while it's simmering. So I'm gonna add this pork. This is after almost an hour. Woo! So this has been simmering for almost 3 hours. Tough. Woo! My gosh. So tender. Oh, it's fall off the bones now. Ooh. Oh, we'll take this. So we'll strain here the soup. This is a fine mesh. So this is more easier for me. It really smells like pho soup. This is a well-strained, clean broth. Simmer this again. Chicken powder. Fish sauce. Pasok mga bashers, Ajinomoto. O, diba? For that umami flavor. Pink salt. I forgot to add soy sauce. Oh my gosh, it's really pho soup. Jalapeno. White onion. Lime. So the next day, these are the leftover. Put the noodles, turkey, and here's the white onion, jalapeno, bean sprouts, bok choy, Thai basil. I didn't throw the ginger because I really love it. Condiments, sriracha, hoisin sauce. There you go. Enjoy!